Hello friends, welcome to Cyberspace for Study channel. In this video, we will going to see the current affairs of January 2021. And the first question is, Monpa handmade paper industry is mainly based in which of the following states? Options are A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Meghalaya, D. Arunachal Pradesh. And the answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Which among the following organizations publishes the Digital Payments Index? Options are A. Reserve Bank of India, B. National Payment Corporation of India, C. NABARD, D. Bank Bureau Board. And the answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. Strait of Hormuz connects which of the following water bodies? Options are A. Red Sea and Persian Gulf, B. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, C. Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, D. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Aden. And the answer is B. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Who has been nominated to the board of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization from India? Options are A. Rajiv Kumar, B. Narendra Modi, C. Harshavardhan, D. Amitabh Kant. And the answer is C. Harshavardhan. Which is the first country to approve Oxford AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine? Options are A. Russia, B. China, C. United Kingdom, D. France. And the answer is C. United Kingdom. Which organization is to provide $100 million to improve power distribution in Bengaluru? Options are A. AIIB, B. World Bank, C. ADB, D. IMF. And the answer is C. ADB, Asian Development Bank. Which state launched Kisan Kalyan Mission to promote the income of farmers? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. The answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Which country has recently exited from the Open Skies Treaty? Options are A. China, B. Japan, C. Russia, D. India. And the answer is C. Russia. Davos Agenda, which was making news recently, is the online event of which organization? Options are A. International Monetary Fund, B. World Economic Forum, C. G7 Association, D. International Olympic Committee. Then the answer is B. World Economic Forum. Desert Night 21, which was making news recently, is the military exercise between India and which country? Options are A. Brazil, B. France, C. Japan, D. United Kingdom. And the answer is B. France. What is Abell 370, whose picture was recently shared by the NASA? Options are A. Black hole, B. Exoplanet, C. Galaxy cluster, D. Meteor. And the answer is C. Galaxy cluster. Which Indian mathematician has been named the winner of the 2021 Michael and Sheila Held Prize? Options are A. Nikhil Srivastava, B. C. S. Sheshadri, C. Manindra Agarwal, D. Sujata Ramadurai. The answer is A. Nikhil Srivastava. Which country proposed a 5-year extension of New Start Treaty with Russia? Options are A. United States, B. United Kingdom, C. China, D. Japan. And the answer is A. United States. The government of which state has decided to establish India's biggest multimodal logistics park? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. West Bengal, D. Gujarat. And the answer is D. Gujarat. Shagun is a flagship scheme of which Indian state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Punjab, D. Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is C. Punjab. Udyam Sarathi and Abhyudaya are the initiative of which Indian state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Which Union Ministry organizes the Bharat Parv event every year on the occasion of Republic Day celebrations? Options are A. Ministry of Defence, B. Ministry of Tourism, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. And the answer is B. Ministry of Tourism. Rafale fighter jets are manufactured in which country? Options are A. As USA, B. France, C. Germany, D. India. And the answer is B. France. Which organization is to provide data to the government for identifying targeted beneficiaries for COVID-19 vaccination? Options are A. IT Department, B. Election Commission, C. Road Transport Ministry, B. Consumer Affairs Ministry. And the answer is B. Election Commission. Scientists have spotted rare hot UV bright stars in a cluster using the telescope on board which satellite? Options are A. Astrosat, B. Cartosat 2, C. Resat 7E, D. Insat 4E. And the answer is A. Astrosat. The Indian government has set up a control room to control the spread of bird flu in which state? And options are A. Kerala, B. Delhi, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is B. Delhi. Which organization releases the World Food Price Index? Options are A. UNICEF, B. FAO, C. WWF, D. WFP. And the answer is B. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Which state launched Krishi Sanjeevani vans to test soil, water and provide remedies for pest control? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Bihar. The answer is B. Karnataka. The Great Reset Initiative, recently seen in the news, is launched by? Options are A. World Economic Forum, B. United Nations, C. World Health Organization, D. World Bank. And the answer is A. World Economic Forum. In the index of 8 core industries, which of the following industry has the highest weightage? Options are A. Steel industry, B. Coal industry, C. Electricity industry, D. Refinery product industry. And the answer is D. Refinery product industry. This is the order of highest weightage. First in highest weightage is refinery products, second electricity, third steel, coal, crude oil, natural gas, cement and fertilizer. This is the order of weightage. Majuli Island was seen in the news. It is located in which of the following states? Options are A. Meghalaya, B. Manipur, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Assam. The answer is D. Assam. Kayakalp initiative was seen in the news. It is related to which of the following? A. Higher education, B. Related to public health, C. Consumer awareness, D. Cyber security. And the answer is B. Related to public health. Dharashiva caves was seen in the news recently are located in which of the following states of India? Options are A. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Odisha. And the answer is B. Maharashtra. Mount Semeru, volcano is situated in which of the following? Options are A. Hawaii, B. Italy, C. Malaysia, D. Indonesia. And the answer is D. Indonesia. Khadi Prakritik, in India's first cow dung paint, is developed by which of the following organizations? Options are A. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, B. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, C. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, D. Indian Institute of Science. And the answer is B. Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Thank you for watching. Please support us. Subscribe our channel, share and like. Press the bell button.